Okay, we're back again, and once again, you've created your Google account and you've logged in, and so you've landed here at your Gmail inbox, and you've gone up to your good buddy up here, your numeric keypad icon, and you click on it, and you go to Drive, and open up the Drive window, and now we're going to create a new slide deck. Now, matter of fact, this is fresh in my mind because we just the other day helped my daughter prepare. She had to give a book talk for school, and she's in fifth grade. And so she had to develop a little slide deck to accompany her book talk. So this is sort of fresh in my mind, and I'll show you how to do this now from right here in Google. So we're going to click on New, and this time we're going to say Google Slides. I'm going to create a new slide deck right here in Google. And again, it's similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, but if you don't happen to have that installed on your computer, you can access this from the browser anywhere in the world you're logged into your Google account. And so you've created, this is a brand new presentation slide deck, if you will. So click up here, and we're just going to, for sake of demonstration, we're going to call this Book Talk and hit Enter. And now that's your new title. And let's see. Let's make this about dolphins. Sound good? All right, dolphins. And we'll say my favorite ocean creature. All right. There's your main slide, your first slide. If you want to be a little bit more fancy, you can do different themes, which are available over here to the right. So we've just clicked on that. Maybe you don't like that color. Maybe try orange. Ooh, that's really bright. You'll see there's a slide bar over here. So you can slide, and you can select some of these different themes over here. That looks kind of nice. Let's go with this one. All right, fine. Dolphins, my favorite ocean creature. There's your first slide. Well, we need a lot more slides. So let's go up here, and we're going to click on this addition box, and it defaults to new slide. So just click on it with the left mouse click, new slide, and now here you have a new slide. And you might notice that the font, the type of text is the same as your first slide. Okay, this is called Amatic SC, whatever the heck that is. And so we go to this second page and click here, and this is also Amatic SC, and we'll say, here's a picture of dolphins, and hit enter. All right, now let's open up another tab on our browser, and this is Google, so we'll just type in images of dolphins. Wow. All right, here's one. Let's see. Let's check out this one. That's kind of neat. All right, I'm going to right mouse click on this picture, and I'm going to say save image as, and I'm going to say dolphin picture, and it's going to save in my downloads folder. Click save. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to my slide. I'm going to click on this box. This is here by default when we created this slide, but I don't like it. So I'm going to click delete, and that box is gone. And now what I want to do is I want to drop that picture into here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my file browser, and here's the dolphin picture that I just created. I'm going to left click and hold it, and I'm going to drag it over here and let go. And there's the picture of dolphins. Now, it automatically placed it here, but I can left click once and hold it and then drag it. Let's say maybe I want to put it in the middle. And you might see that red line that shows up. That lets you know that it's centered. So that's now in the center of the page. And I let go, and there's my second slide. Now, let's do one more slide, just for sake of this demonstration. So we're going to click on this addition button again. And you'll see it's the same style of slide. This is just by default. You don't have to keep these at all. You can click here and then click on the blue line of the box to select the box itself and hit the delete key to get rid of it. You can click here and type something. Let's say another picture of dolphins. Hit enter. And well, let's go ahead back to our images tab. And that's pretty. Let's see about this one. All right. So let's right click here, save image as. We'll save this one as Dolphins 2 and click save. And we're going to go back to our slide tab and back to our file browser. And we're going to left click on Dolphins 2 and drag that in here and let go. And that's kind of cool. But I like it and I want it to be bigger. So let's see. We click here in Dolphins and we're going to click on the line to move the text box up a little bit. And maybe even we'll move it over a little bit. All right, that's kind of better. And then we're going to click down here and we're going to move this up a little bit. That's good. And then we're going to grab this corner down here with left mouse click and we're going to drag it sort of diagonally. We just made the picture a little bit bigger because I like this picture. That's better. I like that. So then my daughter is supposed to say something about these dolphins. So I'm going to click on text box up here in the toolbar. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click once and I'm going to hold it and I'm going to drag. And it's going to open, when I let go of the mouse button, it's going to open up this text box. And I like dolphins. They live in the ocean. They swim and play in the water. And, that's fine. If that's all she has to say, you can select the box, move your mouse down here, and you'll see that it's going to turn into a single arrow. If you click and hold that, you can drag that up to shrink the size of the box. And then when it's 4 arrows, you click and you're dragging the entire box. All right, we'll leave it there. All right, so let's click back to our first slide. And it's now the day of the presentation. And she's got to give this book talk to her class. So there's a computer in her classroom. She's logged in. She's got this document open. And she's going to go up here to view, the view menu. Click on that. And then click on present. And it turns it into the whole screen. And you can use the arrow keys to scroll through the slides. So this is the first slide. Click the arrow key down to go to the second slide. Click the arrow key down one more time to go to the third slide. You can click the up arrow key to go backwards one slide, down again to the last slide, and then when you click down again, it's going to let you know, nope, no more slides, your show is over. You hit the escape key to go back to your regular desktop. And just like Google Docs and Google Sheets, when you close this, it's going to stay. Let's go back. Let's close this tab also. Now we're back at our main Google Docs, Google Drive window. And you can see here's the book talk. And it's saved right there. You can open it up from any computer where you're logged into your Google account. And that's a quick tutorial on Google Slides. And we will continue to look at some of these other Google tools in the next video.